Hi, welcome on this system. I need you to think out of the box. We have 20 desktops and I decided to make a video not on XFCE, not on Plasma, but why not on GWM? It again doesn't matter what you're on, what desktop you've chosen, ArcoLinux, this is for all of them. I've just did my update, right? Everything is up to date. This is the short version of keep rolling, telling you guys, hey guys, we have something new and we can deliver today a new version of Discord and Variety. If short version, Eric. So that's very difficult for me. Bin, stay rolling. I've done my scal 11, this thing, run that thing. It will change things. Let me show, do I have some reference? Yes, okay. So I have to keep this guy open. We're gonna run that particular script. It's gonna copy paste this over, plus a backup. And when I do it again, this update, this changes. Nothing really, but as you see, something did change, right? So the repos are at the bottom here, and with the new pacman.conf that we provide you in here in the dots bin. So if you are on ArcoLinux or ArcoLinux, you need to have the sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux -bin -git. Do a scal and you have it. So what is the thing? What is the advantage? Well, Pacman comes from top to bottom and he finds a new version that we have created that's not on ArcoLinux yet, and a variety that we have created that's not on ArcoLinux yet. So basically we are 3 days or so in front of ArcoLinux. And we've done that because, well, Discord is essential for us, is our way to communicate. And at this point, a sudo pacman -s Discord will not do it. You get this screen, and it wants to download something in depth and in tar.gz and so on. No, we just want the latest version. So that's the short version. Run this thing, update, and you'll have your latest of Discord and Variety. Cheers.